This is the second problem on the Model 2 on parabola concept. Find the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3 and the directrix is the line 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Also find the length of the lattice rectum and the equation of the axis of the parabola. Here given question says we need to find parabola first by using this information. Secondly, we need to find the length of the lattice rectum. And thirdly, we will find the axis of parabola. We will see one by one here. Solution. From the given information, here we will draw a rough diagram of parabola here. Suppose this is a parabola and this is the axis of parabola. Here given focus, what is the focus? Suppose we assume focus as S, that is minus 2 comma 3, and this is directrix. Directrix line, this line is given, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. This is directrix line. Now we choose any point on the parabola p x comma y here. We know the definition of parabola: distance from any point on the parabola to the directrix and to the fixed point focus are equal. Okay. Now, by the definition of parabola, we assume the point of contact here is M. We have PM equals to PS. Here PM is the perpendicular distance from the point P x comma y to the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. Here PM is perpendicular distance from P x comma y to the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. And PS is the distance from these 2 points. So now write the formula for PM is the perpendicular distance from a point to the line is given by the formula mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square is equals to PS is the distance between these 2 points. That is, assume this as x1 y1, this is as x2 y2. So under root over x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Here the coefficient of x is a and the coefficient of y is b. Here the constant value is taken as c. And the x1 y1 is this point. So mod 2x plus 3y, c means here minus 4 by square root 2 square plus 3 square is equals to square root, this is a plus b whole square form, this is a minus b whole square form. A square plus b square means 4 minus 2ab means 4x plus a minus b whole square. A square plus b square means 9 minus 6y. Now to eliminate square root, squaring on both sides, we use 2x plus 3y minus 4 whole square by root 4 plus 9 whole square is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13. So assume this as a minus whole square formula, 2x plus 3y minus 4 whole square by square root cancel, that is 13 is equals to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 13. Now use a minus b whole square formula here. A square plus b square means 16 minus 2 into a into, this is completely a, this is b. B is equal to 13 is taken to this side, 13x square plus 13y square minus 52x minus 78y plus 169. So by simplification we have a plus b whole square formula apply, 4x square, a square means here b square means 9y square plus 2ab means 2, 2 2's 4, 4 3's 12, 12xy plus 16 minus 8 to 16x 12 2's minus 24y is equal to 13x squared plus 13y squared minus 52x minus 78y plus 169. So by using some small simplification here, we will get the parabolic equation 80x minus 54y plus 153 equals to 0. This is required parabolic equation. So first part is over. Now the second part is find the length of the lattice rectangle. To find length of the lattice rectangle. So we know the length of the lattice rectum is segment passing through the focus the endpoints of that line segment is totally lies on the parabola. Suppose we assume it has P here, M here, assume Q. So here PQ is the lattice rectum. So to find lattice rectum PQ here, PQ. We know the formula for length of lattice rectum. Is 4a, or we use another formula to find the length of lattice rectum by using this diagram. Here the distance from this point to this point is equals to the distance from this point to this point. Okay, so the length of lattice rectum is the twice the perpendicular distance from P to M. It is also equals to twice the perpendicular distance from Px comma y to the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. So that is equals to twice means 2 into the perpendicular distance from point to this line. We have the formula, that is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Now here 2 into a means 2, b means 3, c means 4, x1 y1 is this point. Mod 2x plus 3y minus 4 by root over 2 square plus 3 square. 2 into this is in place of p we take focus here. What is focus? S is minus 2 comma 3. So in place of x1 we use minus 2. In place of y1 we use 3 minus 4. So 2 2's minus 4 plus 9 minus 4 by 4 plus 9. So 2 into here minus 8 plus 9, 1 by root 13. So is equal to 2 by root 13. So therefore length of lattice rectum is 2 by root 13. Now third point is we need to find the axis of parabola. So axis of parabola. How we find axis of parabola? Clearly observe, this is the axis of parabola in this diagram. Axis of parabola is perpendicular to the directrix. Is it? Axis of parabola, this is axis of parabola, is perpendicular to the directrix line. So we need to find the perpendicular line to the given line here. We know the formula. Clearly, the axis of parabola is perpendicular to the directrix, is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equals to 0. We have the formula. We know the perpendicular line to the line equation ax plus by plus c equals to 0 is, what is the perpendicular line to this given line? We have the formula is change the coefficients of x and y here and put the opposite symbol here. So bx minus ay plus k equals to 0. Okay, this is the line which is perpendicular to this given line. So to this line, what is the perpendicular line formula? Is changing the coefficients. So 3x minus 2y minus 2y plus k equals to 0. So this is equation number 1. Clearly, this perpendicular line passing through focus 2 comma minus 2 comma 3. This equation 1 passing through minus 2 comma 3 focus. Then put x as minus 2 and y as 3 in this equation number 1. Then equation 1 implies 3 into minus 2 minus 2 into 3 plus k equals to 0. 3 2s are minus 6 and 2 3s are minus 6 plus k equals to 0. K equals to 12. So put k equals to 12 in equation 1. K equals to 12 in equation 1. Then 3x minus 2y plus 12 is equal to 0 is the axis of parabola. This is the third point.